Okay, so what's going on over here? There's loads of stuff. And you're screwing stuff.
Yeah, just building our little seat. Very quick seat.
So this here, what Joe is doing, is creating a backrest for the boat.
Now this should, I'll just be able to put this straight on, hopefully.
Look at this, like, screwdriver tech. For an office worker, you know how to work a drill, don't you?
Definitely dabbled.
Hello, okay, so we made it to Dedham. It's so busy here, and getting it blown up and onto the water was such a stressful experience. Hello. Just some people watching. So Joey's in his boat over there. He's got his new seat set up, of which I'll show you later. I'm going into some bushes, so let me just turn this around. But yeah, otherwise, we're hoping that as we go downstream, it'll become a little bit quieter, and yeah, but we'll see what sort of adventures we come across in the day. But this guy's on a mish, check him out. Oh, anyway, so yeah, we shall start the mission to Flatford. That's where we're going. Anyway, I'm about to get killed by some kids. So the reason why we are building this dinghy boat into what it has become is today is because Joe has a dream to cross the channel with it. So yeah, we're going to go to Holland on the dinghy boat. So yeah, just thought you might want to know that. And would you like to watch the journey if we do it? Oh yeah, also this guy in the white on the mission is a member of staff trying to tell off these kids for nicking their boat. And they were being all splashy and naughty. So yeah, I kept away from them. Check out the cows. Enjoy. Bye, 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 bye. Joe looks so funny. He looks so proud of himself. Look at him rowing along, loving his life, being the boss of Dedham Lake or River Store, thinking about his arms. Maybe he's doing tuckers in the water.
Precious star going, mate. Where'd you get that from?
Gone.
So it's all just.
It's all custom, yeah.
This is just like wood and a little bathroom shelf with then the little plant. Yeah, it's just a bit of.
Just getting creative.
Okay, so we have just moored up for a second. We're going to have a spot of lunch. This little section looks like it was made for it, which is great. Perfect sit. And then we can talk you through the custom boat that everybody has been commenting on. Look at that flooring. Oh, what have you done? Oh, was it not recording that whole time?
No.
Are you joking?
I think so, anyway.
Way to enjoy a Sunday. How do you like to enjoy yours? Cheers, tits and ass.